Left-hand edge of the penalty area. Houlihan's low ball chance, and Jonny Howson with the equaliser for Norwich City. His first goal for the Canaries. It was put on a plate for him by Wes Houlihan, and the Barclay end rises to salute a Carrow Road goal scorer for the first time. On the left, forward it comes. Vecchio returns it to Howson. Great move, Howson shot! Oh, what a way to seal Premier League survival! Howson curls in a fantastic effort from 20 yards.
Well, the cross will fall kindly for Howson, very kindly indeed. Jonny Howson makes the breakthrough for Norwich City.
Goes shorter instead. Houlihan, lovely touch. Jonny Howson! And there's the opening goal from the skipper. Norwich City take the lead, and it's Jonny Howson's first goal of the season.
Here comes Howson through the middle for Norwich City, a darting run, a great run from Howson. He's gone past 4 challenges into the area for Jonny Howson! What a fantastic goal that is! Jonny Howson runs half the length of the pitch, takes on the entire Manchester City defence, slips the ball past Joe Hart and into the net, and Norwich City lead for a third time. Howson, that was fantastic, and it's 3-2 to Norwich City.
That is the best goal I've seen a Norwich player score in I don't know how long.